Hey everybody, we're here with mastery number, I think it's 8, 9. Mastery number 9, basic types in C++. What is a type? Good question. Types are the values you give your variables. Alright, so in other words, whatever type the variable is gonna be, it's put it like you're declaring what object, if it's an animal, if it's a thing, or whatever. You're just giving it what it is. Alright, this is a character, this is an integer, this is a floating point, etc. Alright, let's go with the basics. The basics are Boolean, character, integer, floating point, double floating point, valueless with no value, and white character. Alright, let's start with Boolean. Boolean, a Boolean type or variable is just a variable that is true or false. There's no numbers, there's no characters, there's nothing. A Boolean value is just if it's true or false. Yeah, that's basically it. If it's true or false. That's what a Boolean number is. Or Boolean whatever thing variable it is, it's a true or false variable. A character. A character is anything that's not a number, or it could be a number. It could be any type of variable, but it has to be single digit. You guys can see here, it's just a single digit or single data or single byte, as might want to understand. It's just one, and the way you can declare a character is by char, and that is how you that is a type of character. Char is how you name them. Char A, B, K, Z, D, and it will be characters within your program. Integers are numbers that are not decimals. These are positive numbers. Alright, as you can see, if we're here, a few examples, 123, 2, 9,800, blah, 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 and 123. They have a certain limit, it's a really extensive number of the limit, but that's why there's different types for those long numbers. But right here, I'm just teaching you the basics into the basic types that C++ provides. In other words, int, you just go int 123, and you're good to go. Floating point are decimals, are numbers with decimals, but with a certain amount of decimals. If I had to go count them, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimals. A number with 6 decimals. 6. That is a floating point. Floating points are integers with decimals. This is where variable can have decimals within their value, and you declare the variable with float. Double floating point is the same thing as floating point, but just double. So instead of having 6, it has 12 decimals. It's more precise. Due to say it's more precise. And the way you use double is double the variable. You want to use double A, whatever you want to use. Valueless, valueless type. It's with no value. It's basically what it is. It's something that has no value. It's not a double. It's not an integer. It's not a character. It's not a bool. It's just there. It's just a void. It's something that's just there. You don't doesn't have a declaration or anything. But it's just when you want to like declare something, make that within the program, but don't know where it is. It's just there. Know what I mean? It's just there. That's what a void is. Alright, so that's void. And wide character. What wide character is, it's like a string, but it's the max number of characters the string can have. Like, I'm not pretty sure how much it is. We have to go precise. Like 27, no, yeah, 27 characters. It's like a conjunction of characters, but all together and fully. So this is what a wide character is. A wide character is a letter, not a number, that has 27 letters. So these are not 27 letters, but it was just for the example. The way you call or determine or assign a variable with white characters, wchat, and the long T. And those are the basic types of characters in C++. Hope you enjoyed the video.